today I will tell you what I know on the unfriended dark web with the help of a question. Make an introduction about the film. Title: Unfriended Dark Web. Director by Steven Sosko. Main characters: Matias, Amaya, Damon, Serena, Nari, AJ, and Lex. Summary of the story is: the film follows a young man, Matias, who finds a laptop and unknowingly access the dark web. He and his friends are then targeted by an underground group of cybercriminals who use the dark web to manipulate and terrorize them in a real time. Is there any trends in ICT that tackled in the film? The film highlights the dangers of the dark web, a hidden part of the internet used for illegal activities. Is there any internet threats that's shown in the film? Number 1, hacking. Matias and his friends are targeted by hackers who take control of their devices. What are some lessons you learn in the film? Number 1, be cautious about online privacy and security. Number 2, avoid engaging with unknown or suspicious online titles.